Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. In this series of videos we're going to be building a one-page scrolling website with the Divi WordPress theme. And this theme's got some great things. It's got some video sliders, we've got animations, got a bit of CSS going on there, got a video background. And in this series of videos I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually put this site together. We'll start from scratch and we'll work from the header all the way down to the footer. We've included some great features like a back to the top button and some smooth scrolling to get to our various sections here. And although Divi has some great built-in themes and templates, this is for people that want to build their own from scratch, and it really is quite easy, especially with the new Divi builder. For those of you that haven't got Divi, you can get it from my affiliate link below this video, or you can go to elegantthemes.com and get it from there. So let's get started building this site. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. Let's start working on our little services section below this, where I just want to have a little bit of text, a couple of images. I'm actually going to do this. You can do it with the Visual Builder. I'm going to go ahead and do it just with the actual page editor. If I refresh this, hopefully it'll put in our little sections we did last time. There we go. It's added that little call to action section. Now I've refreshed it that we did with the visual editor just now. So let's add a new section. Again, I want a standard section. This time I'm going to use half and half, 2. And on the first one, I'm going to put in an image, which is right there. And let's pull in an image we want to use from my little resources folder. So I've got a resources folder with a few prepared images here. So I'm just going to pull in one from here. In fact, I'll pull in 2 that I'm going to use for this section. And let's select the one I want to use first. That's that one. And remember, when you're building a site for your customer, whatever your site pertains to, what its subject, for the alt text you can put in keywords that are relevant to your subject here. That will help your SEO a little bit. Okay, let's just set as image. That's fine. Don't want it to open in a lightbox. What open in a lightbox means, if you click on the image, it'll open up in a bigger image, which is what you want for nice personal photos. We don't want it to link anywhere. Don't want a background color. And we can just leave that as image is fine. So let's just save that. Now let's insert a little text module. And let's give it a title of responsive. I'm going to make that a heading 2. You really only want to use heading 1s at the top of your page. And let's add some of our faithful lorem ipsum text. What a fair bit. So let's take that whole paragraph. We may want to add a little bit more. And let's go back and paste that in there. Now my little heading here, I want this to be the same color that we've been using, that blue color. I've got that in my little text pad over here, so I'll copy it, select the text, hit the little arrow next to the little A there for text color, hit custom, and you can paste it in that little box there next to the hashtag, and then just click on another box above it and it'll change it to that color. Now we've got that blue color for our title. I want it left aligned this time, so we'll make sure it's left aligned. I think it'll do that by default. Yep, left aligned, that's fine. Let's save that and take a quick look. Update and preview the changes. There we go, that's pretty much exactly what I wanted. So let's put another little section underneath it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to clone this section here. So two little oblongs here, hit that. That's a good copy. And I'm going to swap these around. So I've got the text on the left and the image on the right there. Now I want to change out my image and use the second image that I had there. Save that, and I want to give it a slightly different title. Let's call it mobile first. And save that. Okay, let's update. Hit the update button and preview our changes. Scroll down and have a look. Yeah, that works. That's pretty much exactly what I had in mind. Let's just split them up with a little divider here. Put a little dividing line in between. Let's use our visual builder for this. Just so it breaks them up. That's quite a lot of white space right there. Not that that matters. White space is actually a very good thing for design. Now that it's loaded, I'll hit that little plus arrow just below this last section. New row. Inside. We've got a divider here somewhere. There we go. Put a divider, visibility, I want it to show a little line there. Background I want as is. And the color of our divider, I want my little blue color again that I've got. Let's just paste that in there. There it is, it's put that little dividing line in there. Just splits it up a little bit. That's fine. I think what I might want to do as well, I might pull this text down slightly so it's got more padding at the top, so it's more in line with that image there. So let's give it a little bit of padding at the top. Not sure if I need this or not. If we go to our design tab, spacing, padding at the top, what's that? That's about 50 pixels, something like that. Let's try 50 pixels. Too much. Let's try 30 pixels. Yeah, it's about right. It's a little bit much, about 28, 27. I think that's going to work. Let's just save that. it looks more in line there. And let's do the same thing for this one. Design, spacing. And let's give it 27 as well. I'm guessing that'll be the default. Yeah, I think that works. Let's save that. Let's just eye it over. Yeah, that's going to work. I mean, we could align that image to the left and align this one to the right, but I don't think I want to. So I'm happy with that. There's our little about section. Let's save that. And exit our visual builder. Yeah, I think that works. It's kind of in line. Looks fairly pleasing to the eye. There's a good user experience. Left, right, left, right. That's fine. Well, good. So there's our little call to action section and our services section.